Right, so that's where we ended up, just with the front wall. So that's good to go for the back wall. All we've got to do is duplicate that, but we'll do the side wall. So we was using this bottom bit as our guide really. So if we use a pencil tool and just go along the edge, across, join up, and then we've got ourselves a bit of a wall. We'll pull it up and we inference off the end there. So that'll be our end wall. Now we want to bring it in, offset it a bit, the same as the other one. Actually did write these down. Wall thickness 0.32, is that the one? Pillar 0.62. See, look, I wrote it down, I can't even remember what I wrote down now. So that one is 0.62. Yep. So we want to offset this here at 0.62, enter, and we want to push it back, and we'll push it back 1.16, and that's the same as the other ones then. And we'll triple click, right click, and we'll make a group. And then we want to put one of these windows along that side. So I think that is, if we right click and hide it, we'll know we've got everything. We haven't got this bit, have we? Do Control Z. We'll go across to our window and we'll just pick this one here. We'll copy that. And we'll paste. And like normal. It's not the right way. On the corner. And then the bottom. And there we go. Some reason when you're using Zoom, my mouse goes a bit scatty. I don't know why. I thought it was because I'm using a new mouse, but it decides to go a bit scatty. So what I want to do is put this on the wall there so we can click on it. We'll find the middle bottom and we'll bring it across. And then easy enough, done. We're in the middle there. And then we can just line this windowsill up with this one. So if we click on the corner and strain it to the up arrow, and we'll click on there, and that's the same height as that. And I think we've got to go in against the wall. So we click on and we go along the red axis, touching the wall. Yep. So what we'll do is we'll cut that. We'll double click on it to open that group, and we'll do an edit, paste in place. And that's the outline. Sometimes when you paste in place, you can see these lines are not, it's not quite got it because these lines are black here. So what you can do is highlight the bits that are not sort of dug into that back bit, right click and intersect with faces. If you right click, you'll come along. He says it's not come up. Oh, yes, it did. Couldn't see it for looking. Double click and then highlight it. Right click, intersect faces with model, and then them lines along the bottom never intersected with the model. You'll get that sometime if you're copy and pasting stuff in. If it goes dark black instead of light black, it hasn't gone, but it has now. So we can click on the middle bit. We use a push-pull tool and just push that through till it goes to the back. Job's a good one. And then we can put our window in. Same thing, we just use the bottom of it. We press our up arrow. And then we'll go to the bottom of there. And we'll probably have to bring that out. Click on along the red, and there we go. And that's our window skew width in place. There we go. So the bad mistake I did last time, I didn't copy. So we double click on the group. We'll click on there, back piece, and we'll click on the front piece and we'll copy it. Click away and we'll do an edit, paste in place. So now, when we come to put our bricks on, we've got this on the outside. I messed up last time by not putting it on the outside. We haven't got a window in there, but we can easily get a window. Click on this window. Click on there. Do a control. And we can put it on here. Turn it around. And we go to the back, we'll put it in the corner when that's in the right place. Click on, put it in the corner. And there we go. So that's ready to brick up, but we'll leave it as it is. And what we can do is we can duplicate this and put it on the other side. So we click on it, make sure we've got everything there. Let's just make sure this is all in one. So these bricks here are on the outside and that's on the outside. So we click on the bricks, do a control and click on the window, cut it, open the group up and do an edit, paste in place. Right there. We'll do an edit, paste in place. Did that work? So we should click on the group and hide it. What did I do there? Control Z. Click on the front, click on there and hide that. Click on the group, click on the window, control, and we'll cut them. There we go. That window there, what I copied, if you look, is still grouped with there. So, bad mistake. If that happens, double click on the group, click on this window, cut it, and we want to put it in that group there. Double click on this group, edit, paste in place, and we'll click on the front, we'll cut that, double click, edit, paste in place. So hopefully now that group is, we right click and hide it. That's just stray geometry from the other stuff, so that can be triple clicked and deleted. And then we go edit, unhide. And then we're back. We've got a solid lump at the back we can hide. And we've got our faces. Well, we did have our faces. Edit, unhide all.